Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video, we will learn about one of the most important property of triangle, that is angle sum property. So according to this property, the sum of all three angles of a triangle will always be equal to 180 degree. For example, in this triangle PQR, the sum of these three angles, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, will always be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So, it doesn't matter whether our triangle is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle or scalene triangle, or it is a acute angle triangle, obtuse angled or right angled. In all the cases, the sum of all the three angles of a triangle will always be equal to 180 degree. So first discuss about these triangles quickly. Okay. Equilateral triangle means the triangle which is having all the three sides equal. Okay. So when all the three sides will be equal, then all the angles will also be equal. But the sum will always be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, second one, isosceles triangle means the triangle which is having only two sides equal. Two sides will be equal. Any two sides can be equal, and when two sides will be equal, then two angles will also be equal to each other. Okay? In this third type of triangle, scalene triangle means the triangle which is not having the sides any side equal. It will have all the sides unequal in length. For example, in this type of triangle, not all the sides and all the angles will be unequal. Nothing will be equal. In acute angle triangle, the triangle is said to be acute angled if its all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay? This means its all the three angles will always be less than 90 degree. Okay, let's draw this. This will be one of the acute angle triangle. Here all three angles will be acute angle. In obtuse angle triangle, only one angle. This is an obtuse angle. One angle will be obtuse angle and other two angles will be acute angle. Okay. And right angle means a triangle is said to be right angled if its one angle is 90 degree. We will draw like this. So we can see this angle is 90 degree and these two angles will be acute angle, or the sum of these two angles will be 90 degree and the total of the three angles will always be equal to 180 degree. So in all type of triangle, the sum will always remain equal to 180 degree. So let's solve some questions on the basis of this property. The question 1 is, in a triangle ABC, if the measures of two angles are 42 degree and 68 degree, then find the measure of third angle. So first we will quickly draw the diagram. This is a triangle ABC, name it ABC. Okay, two angles are given. One is 42 degree, another one is 68 degree, and we have to find out the third one. Okay, so let the third angle be x degree. Let the third angle is equal to x degree. Okay. So now, as per the property, the sum of all three angles of triangle will be 180 degree. So now we will add all three angles. 42 degree plus 68 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. In the bracket, we will always mention the name of the property. Here the name of the property is angle sum property. Now add these two, 60 plus 40, 100, and 2 plus 8, 10. So 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now to find out the value of x, this 110 will go to the right hand side and here it is getting added. So when it go this side, we will subtract it from 180 and 180 minus 110, it will be equal to 70 degree. This means the third angle of the triangle will be 70 degree. Okay. So now we will solve the second question. It is very important question. Find each angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So equilateral triangle we know. Suppose I have drawn a triangle here PQR. Name it PQR. And in an equilateral triangle, all these three sides will be equal. When three sides will be equal, the three angles will also be equal. Okay. So let us take that each angle of equilateral triangle is x. If one will be x, the another two will also be x. So we will add all three angles x plus x. And we know that the sum will always be equal to 180 degree. We will write 180 degree. We will add these. This will be 3 times. So it will become 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now to find out the value of x, here we are multiplying x by 3. So here when 3 will go to the right hand side, we will divide 180 by 3. Okay, when we will divide 3, 6 ja 18 and 0 will remain same. This means 60 degree. Each angle of an equilateral triangle will always be equal to 60 degree. And when we will add all these three, we will get always 180 degree. So let us solve some more questions based on this property. So the question here is, one of the acute angle of a right angle triangle is 40 degree. Find the other acute angle. So two things are given in question. One acute angle is given 40 degree and we also know that this is a right angle triangle. This means one of the angle will be 90 degree and we have to find out the third angle. So first we will draw the diagram. The right angle will somewhat look like this. Let us name it A, B, C. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, let us take this angle is 40 degree and we have to find out this one, angle C. So as per angle sum property, we know that the sum of all three angles will be 180 degree. So x plus 40 degree plus 90 degree. This means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So these all three will be 180 degree. So first we will add these two. When we will add 9 plus 4, 13. This means 130 degree. So to find out the value of x, we will subtract this 130 from 180. So 180 degree minus 130 degree, or what will we get? It will be 50 degree. This means the other acute angle will be of 50 degree. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. The question here is, are the following triangles possible with given angles? Here angles are given and we have to check whether these type of triangles will exist or not. So for this, very simple, we will add all the three angles. If the sum of three angles will be 180 degree, then that type of triangle can exist, otherwise not. Let us add all these. 35 plus 43 plus 80 degree. When we will add, so 35 plus 43 is 78 and this is 80. So 8 and 7 plus 4, 15. So we will get 158 degree. So 158 degree, we know that it is not equal to 180 degrees. So this type of triangles cannot exist. So our answer will be no. Okay. Now similarly we will solve this B part. Here the angles given are 48 degree plus 62 degree plus 70 degree. So now again we will add all these three. So 48 plus 62 plus 70 degree. When we will add these three, so 48 plus 62, 110. 110 plus now 70 degree. Add this. So what will we get? 110 plus 70 is 180 degree. So here the sum of all the three angles are coming 180 degree. Hence the triangle with these angles can exist, will be possible. Okay. So whenever the three angles are given, what you have to do? You have to only add the angles and check the sum. If the sum is coming 180 degree, then our answer will be yes, these type of triangles can exist. Or if the sum is not coming 180 degree, if it is less than 180 or more than 180, then that type of triangle cannot exist. Okay. So friends, if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel to get the notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.